Nissan's staggering 99% decline in profits emphasizes the critical need for the company to reevaluate its strategies to maintain competitiveness. This financial setback raises significant concerns regarding its long-term sustainability. Furthermore, Nissan's dependence on an outdated vehicle lineup and insufficient innovation hampers its ability to compete in the fast-paced automotive market. Consumers are increasingly gravitating towards electric and technologically advanced vehicles. Reflecting on its history, Datsun, Nissan's predecessor, prospered by prioritizing consumer needs and offering affordable cars. This heritage starkly contrasts with the modern challenges Nissan encounters in capturing market share. Moreover, the oversaturation of Nissan dealerships has intensified competition, leading many to struggle financially, which complicates Nissan's business framework. This situation has placed the company in a precarious position. Additionally, Nissan's inability to launch hybrid vehicles poses a significant challenge, as competitors are successfully appealing to eco-conscious consumers. The sluggish introduction of hybrid options threatens Nissan's relevance in today's automotive landscape. Reliability issues, particularly concerning Nissan's continuously variable transmissions, have adversely affected the brand's reputation, resulting in dwindling customer loyalty. Consequently, many drivers are turning to competing brands. The fallout from Carlos Ghosn's arrest has significantly tarnished Nissan's image and diminished investor confidence. This incident has raised serious questions about the company's governance and prospects for the future. In response, Nissan is rolling out aggressive promotions and financing strategies aimed at boosting sales. These initiatives include substantial discounts and 0% financing, designed to attract potential buyers. The marketing strategy centers on creating a sense of urgency and fostering trust through customer testimonials. This approach aspires to rekindle interest in the brand amidst recent sales challenges. Currently, an alarming 38% of Nissan's dealerships are operating at a loss, highlighting a pressing crisis in the automotive industry. This troubling trend underscores the need for strategic reform. Nissan's market share has dramatically fallen from 5.8% to 1.9% within 5 years, leading to severe inventory challenges. As a result, dealers have been compelled to implement drastic discounts to sell vehicles. The dealership network has become overextended, struggling to achieve profitability due to dwindling sales figures compared to competitors like Honda and Toyota. This prompts discussions about the necessity of reducing franchise numbers. The urgent need for Nissan to innovate is clear. A balanced lineup of both combustion and electrified vehicles is essential for effective competition. This includes a target of introducing 34 electrified models globally by 2030. Despite Nissan's commitment to scaling production capacity, the risk of overproduction looms if consumer demand falls short of expectations, particularly in light of experiences during the COVID-19 pandemic. To reclaim its market presence, Nissan may need to consider alternative strategies, such as downsizing its dealership network and focusing on niche markets with innovative vehicle offerings.